Hey everyone, I'm Jermaine and I'm a stylist and creative consultant based in London. And today we're going to be with Ellesse going through their autumn-winter collection, so stay tuned. So to give you a few more career highlights, recently I styled Thierry Henry for a massive sportswear company. I've also been nominated for an UK MBA award for a music video which I styled back in 2021. I am a regular contributing stylist at Wonderland magazine. So I would say my personal style really depends on sort of like my day-to-day and how I feel in the mornings. But what I'm mostly excited to be doing today is kicking off the styling series with Ellesse and seeing what looks like we can create. So now we're going to get into the autumn-winter Sartoria collection. Here's a few pieces that I picked out for you guys to have a look at. So for the first look, I've decided to go with the Hero tracksuit. The Hero tracksuit has the green jet stripe which runs through the middle and also on the bottom, which I'm pointing to right here. I've decided to pair it with the gilet which has the embroidery on the back with Ellesse. This is a great look as it's well tailored and you can wear it anywhere and look as amazing. So let's get into the second look, which I would consider my favorite outfit from the Sartoria Autumn Winter 23 collection. With this outfit, you have women's straight leg trousers and this amazing padded jacket with the collared sweatshirt. If you wanted to change it up a little bit and maybe perhaps wear something else, there's a few other options we may have as well. So with that being said, we have the windbreaker and we also have the collared sweatshirt in the cream. If it's more of a cold winter's day, I would suggest matching it with the hat and also with the scarf. This would make a great winter's look. So now we've come to the final look within the autumn winter collection. As you can see here, we have the sportswear track, which I'm wearing, which has the E-print, which is very new for us, both on the top and on the bottoms on the side here as well. It's great if it was paired with the padded jacket, which you see here, which also has the E-print on the bottom half of the jacket as well. It would be great to hear you guys and see what your favorite look was. So please, if you can, just drop it in the comments. So guys, we've come to the final part within the segment, but before we leave you, we actually have a very special guest. So we have Edwina from the Ellesse team who's going to be modeling for us. As you can see here, Edwina is wearing Paragamo track bottoms and also she's wearing the crop long sleeve top. The last added feature, which is a very special new jacket for us within the collection, is track jacket that she's wearing here. Special feature on this is that you can actually change it from it being a jacket to it actually being a coat. So now Edwina's wearing the coat, which was previously a jacket. And even to make matters more amazing, you can take off the sleeves here, which then turns the jacket into a gilet. So thanks guys for coming with us on this journey to see the new Ellesse collection. We hope you've enjoyed it. If you'd like to continue to follow myself, Jermaine, the link here is in the description. And yeah, enjoy the rest of your day.